Hey guys, good morning. You see that over there? This is where that movie is going to be recorded for downtown Jackson Street. There's a lot of workers here. The police department is here. There's a lot of cameras. Supposedly that part of my store is going to be in there. We'll see, but I wanted to show you the streets are closed. Kelly's got her little setup right there. There's crew everywhere. Let me show you. Isn't that exciting? Downtown Harlingen. We already saw Alyssa Milano, but they told us not to record, so they're staying in those trailers right there. So I'm going to go back into my store, you guys, and just wait for this excitement to happen. I'll try and shoot when I can. But they're the policemen. They're the policemen, so we can only do what we can only do. But supposedly the little tea and coffee shop, Goat, is going to be in there. And they say my store is going to be in there, one of the windows. And June down the street is going to be in there. They're setting up over there already. So it's very exciting. Of course, no business today, but it's very exciting. So they also brought a lot of their own Christmas props, and they made us decorate for Christmas before we ate turkey. But it's so exciting. Okay, you guys, there's a lot of crew moving down. They're probably going to tell us to stop recording in a little bit. But it's so exciting. There goes Miss Kelly over there. They make us clear the streets right before they're going to do another shoot. Look, there's a camera guy from Hollywood, you guys. That's what a camera guy from Hollywood looks like. It looks like he's a mic guy, actually. But look, there's a lot of people. It's like the town is shut down for them. It's so exciting. It's a beautiful downtown Jackson Street today. Record through my window, Terry? I'm gonna try. We'll see. I do have my security cameras recording, but it's not as pretty and clear as, what do you call it there? The policeman. It's not as pretty and clear as my phone. I should have brought my other camera and just left it running. But it looks like they're about to shoot another spot right there at the tea place, because they're setting up cameras there. There's a family sitting there on the bench. I don't know if you can see. Like, there's a family setting up right there on a bench. Looks like my hubby, he's down here. The trailers are right there. There's like, I think 2 more in front of those. I don't know where she is at. But look, there goes camera guys. So they're just taking up the whole street. There's a crow singing. So much fun. I think I'm going to go sit inside Carlitos. No cameras. The man looked like your hubby. Okay, got it. You should see the mess I have inside, because we pulled out Christmas yesterday, Sunday. From all the Christmas I had, they borrowed 3 of my trees, one for the downtown office. They borrowed some trees. They borrowed some decorations. So, oh my goodness, I have one of my rooms that's like a vendor room that is full, just full of stuff. And they have their own stuff. They're setting up over there too. So cute. Okay, you guys, I better go. Yeah, the actors are going to be here. Alyssa, and I forgot the gentleman's name, is they already did 2 shoots earlier this morning, and they're in the trailers right now, and then they're going to be out again in just a little bit. Look, they're bringing their own props. You see those drinks over there? So although she's got drinks in there, it looks like they've got their own props. Look, the drinks and everything. How funny. Or maybe she gave it to him, I don't know, but they came from that direction with those drinks. You guys, and see that blonde little lady over there? That lady has been here for months. She's been down here with Ed Mesa, which is our downtown director, but she's been here for months. Came into the stores, went into, I guess she's the one that, I don't know what you call them, but anyway, maybe looking for the places where they're going to record. Okay, well, I better go. I heard the door to the, what do you call it? The door, look, that guy has a t-shirt that says California, but I heard a door to one of those motorhome things. I don't know if y'all can see way over there behind that red car, there's a ladder up there. And it looks like they're doing a shoot way over there on that side of the sidewalk. Or they're prepping something. But there goes that little lady that's been downtown Harlingen. She did buy a few things here, but of course not knowing who they are. You don't know who they are. And not knowing what they're going to do. Or she was just on her downtime shopping. I don't know. Okay, guys, I better go. I'll try and record if I see them shooting from the inside. But all my lights are on in the store. But I did put my little vintage Christmas tree up. But the door is going to be locked. And I did have to fork over a key so they could go in and out. So we'll see what happens. But it's downtown Harlingen. It's great for business downtown. Y'all come down when they're not recording this week. But support your downtowns, you guys. Keep these mom and pop stores open. Don't buy everything on Amazon. Shop local. We need it. There's some cute little winter Texans coming. Okay, guys. For real. Goodbye.